Sherry, I'm almost there. Down to one bullet.
Be careful, Leon.
Excuse me for a second. Jude, what the hell are you doing?
What? Can't you see I'm dead?
Yeah, I can see that. So why are you opening this?
What are you talking about?
That! The ammo! Where did that even come from?
I don't see the problem. Hey, what's your problem exactly?
My problem is, he finally ran out of ammo, and I finally had my chance!
You know I still got my axe, right?
We were talking to you!